You have your shiny new J5 Pro, and you are now looking at screen protection. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ, and today I will be reviewing a tempered glass from SuperFly. This is the front of the box with its listed features: bubble-free, no fingerprint, and it's anti-scratch. On the back, you have the included items in the kit and more info on the glass. You can pause and read it. Let's get this opened. Cut the protective tabs like so and pull out the plastic case. The kit includes a microfiber cloth, wet wipes, a dust absorber sticker. Here is the glass itself with instructions on which tab to remove first. Let's start the install. This phone is brand new, so I will not be using the wet wipe. I will use the dust absorber to remove any particles, which drastically helps for a clean install. I highly recommend this. My go-to method for installing the glass is peel half of the plastic and align it to the phone. Lower the glass. Carefully pull the plastic off till the glass is in contact with the screen. Make sure it is centered. Then press in the center to start a ripple effect, which allows the glass to stick to the screen. Using the microfiber cloth, push out the remaining air bubbles. In some cases, you will need to lift the glass and reapply. Perfect example above, as there's a large air pocket. Be very careful while doing this, as too much tension while lifting the glass will cause it to crack. Gently lower the glass, and at the same time, you need to gently push out the air. Now, use the microfiber cloth and push out any remaining air bubbles. In some cases, the glass is not a perfect size, and you will have a slight gap, as you can see on the left of the phone. Taking a look at the glass, it has a decent cutout for the camera, the LED flash, earpiece, and the home button. All in all, if you're looking for a tempered glass for your J5 Pro, I would recommend this. Despite the left side looking a bit off, I think it can be ignored, as with the case installed, you would hardly notice it. Guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, share, and let me know in the comments below your thoughts on the naming conventions when it comes to phones.